Let's talk about the spot trading. When it comes to the spot trading, you don't need so much analysis. All you need to do is just as simple as ABC. You could still apply your normal analysis and then you're able to make as much profit as possible when it comes to spot trading. All right. Now, let's go over to this particular section called the market now. Now, when you click on market, now you see some list of cryptocurrency right here, which are my favorite. All right. Now, let's click on spot. All right. Now, when you click on spot, now when compares to future, spot has a very wide range. Let me know this. That very is not is wrong. Spot has a wide range of cryptocurrencies in this particular section right here compared to future. So, so this is what I literally do right here. The spot wallet is a place where you could buy cryptocurrency or sell cryptocurrency. Now, buy or sell. All right. When you click on spot wallet, let's say wanted to buy this particular cryptocurrency called AGLD. I click on buy, and then when I click on buy, now, one thing about the spot wallet here is it also looks like as if you want to trade future or something. Now, you could see limit right there, limit and some varieties of option, market, stop limit, trailing stop, and stuff like that. Now, limit means you want to buy a particular crypto or you want to sell a particular crypto, but you want to buy it when it reaches a particular price. So once it reaches that price, it should just buy, okay? Or when it reaches a particular price, it should just sell. All right, that's what limit means. Market means you want to buy at the exact market price, whatever the market price is at that moment. You want to buy at that price. That's what market means. Then stop limit means or maybe I'll explain that in the subsequent video because you're going to be making use of limit and market and maybe probably trailing stop. Okay, so let me explain what this means. Now let's go to the market right here. So let's go back to the chart. So you can get to the chart from here. All right. So let's click there. Now we are on the chart right here now, and we're viewing it in 1 day. Let's say we want to buy this crypto right here at this current price right here. Now, when we buy this crypto at this current price right here, uh, and then want to sell it at this point at this other price right here that it has gone to. So what I'm saying, let me want to buy it at this price right here, and then want to sell it at this price right here that it has that all-time high that it has gone to. So look at the different prices: 0.330, okay, the current market price, and then 0.397. All right, let's click on buy. Okay, sorry, we were talking about limit. Before I talk about that one, limit, let's go back to the chart again. Let me finalize on the limit stuffs before I continue on that particular analysis. Now, let's say let's say the market has gone to 0.31, all right, 0.331, and then want it want the market to want to buy at this price where it has gone to before. So let's press down there and we'll see it's, let's say, 0.292. All right, click on buy. We'll come here. How much do you want to use? Let's say you want to use $100. And where do you want to buy? Let's say you want to buy at 0.0292. Now, when it gets to 0.29, once I click buy, the order will be executed. All right, and we'll need about $88.4 to do that. Okay, I could adjust the amount here to $100. So now, whenever it gets to that particular price, this particular price, it will automatically buy. All right. Then we could as well set a sell order same way. Okay. Let's say we can set a sell order. Let's say we bought, let's say 100 pieces at this price here. We can set a sell order to be at 3.90. All right. Now, let me show you how you can make profit with these. All right. We come down to let's go back to that market. Let's go back to the market. What market? AGL. We're analyzing AGL. Now let's say we're analyzing this AGL, all right, and want to buy at this current market price, but want to sell at 0.397. Click on buy. All right. Now if we are buying with $100 at 3.397, okay, 3.97, all right. What, 3.97, right? Yeah, 3.97 buy. So for me to reset this to the current market price, I have to click there, tap on it. Okay, so now I'm buying this with $100. Okay, let's say $100 or even $1,000. Let me use $1,000. So those of y'all that have a lot of money, $1,000, and let's say want to sell it at 3.97. Now at 3.97, we'll be making an extra $206 in profit. $206 in profit when the market moves a little. So let's say we're using like about $100, $100, 100 would have give, at this current price, 100 would have given us 304, 297. Now we'll be having an extra $21 in profit. Now this is how you do this. In when a crypto has gone really high, like in future, when you get to the future level, there's this place we tap right here to know the 24 hours change before we take a trade. All right, that particular section right there. Now look at the top performing crypto for the past 24 hours. Boom, so much it has gone up by almost 93%. It has even gone up by 100%, but it has come down a little bit. Now this particular crypto, now you don't profit in spot trading by selling. All right, so not you cannot say, okay, we want to place a sell order or something and then you start profiting. No, we don't profit that way. You can't profit that way. All right, that's why it's called spot trading. And spot trading, once you just buy a crypto, if you click on wallet, you will see everything within your spot wallet, just like this particular one you're seeing right here in my spot wallet. That one is actually a trade that is going on. All right, that is actually going on. All right, so now what you need to do right here is to click on that 24 hours change again, and you will see the worst performing crypto for the past 24 hours, the crypto that has performed the worst for the past 24 hours, and then you tap on it. Let's say tap on the number one. Okay, now you could just like I've placed some other videos on analysis after this video. You could do your analysis, you could do more detailed analysis, but now we're just going by a simplest analysis, the layman analysis of, okay, it has gone down for the past 24 hours, the worst 9%, almost 10% downward for the past 24 hours. All right, so now let's say we want to buy this particular crypto now, and then what height has it gone to? What height has it accomplished within the past 48 hours? It has gone to 0.583. Now we'll come here, click on buy. When we click on buy, now let's say we are buying with $100. With $100, 0.583, right? Now let's say we put a sell order at 0.583. We'll be making extra $51.40 when it goes to that height, and it can accomplish that within 24 hours or within 48 hours or maximum within a week or so. All right, so it's just as simple as that. Because why it's called a market is it goes up and down. People buy and sell, people buy and sell. All right, so if we're using $1,000 to do this, all right, let's click on the market price again. We're using this, let's say $1,000 to do this. Now at 583, we'll be making about $500. That's about 51% of our money. That's what we'll be making. just as smooth as that. All right, now let's look at other crypto that has also gone down. All right, this one has gone down 4%. AGL has gone down 4%. 4% for the past 24 hours. It has gone down worse. Now let's look at what height has AGL gone to. AGL, what height? What height? Okay, let's scroll down. We are looking at the daily time frame. Daily time frame. It has gone to 397. 397. Click on buy. Buy. Okay, let's say we are buying with $100. 397. Okay, we'll get these pieces at 397. We'll be making extra $21. So if we are using like about $1,000, we're making extra 210 dollars or so. Yeah, let's go back. We're using extra $1,000 at 397. We're making $210 in profit. This is just how smooth this thing is. So you keep doing that every single day, and before you realize it, you've traded $100 into $1,000 and $1,000 into $10,000 just by using the simplest trading strategy. Now, to go detailed into spot trading, we'll go into you could use the analysis that I've already analyzed below, and then you see everything going as smooth as ABC. You'll be making so much profit every single day with just spot trading alone. And the good thing is that spot trading is actually very safe because you it's just like you buying and holding a crypto, but this time around, you're trading it. All right, you're trading it. You're not holding it for too long. You're trading it. But one disadvantage about spot trading is that sometimes it can be a bit slow. All right, it can be a bit slow. All right. So let's say a crypto get to a particular price, and then you don't want to sell it through the spot because spot to take is a very small amount of fee. Very small amount of fee. You could, when you're at the spot wallet, you could use the convert option and convert the cryptos that are actually available, like this particular crypto now that I have here. I can use the convert option and convert without paying any fee. The fee is just very little, very little. Okay, so very little for any stress. So that is it.